All right, Pac-Manians, here's a quick little video to kind of help you out with the quiz, and then I'm going to post a little Zoom video of how to fill out the online form in a minute. So let's just take a look. We got our usual vocabulary words to start us off. You just got to fill them in. The blank is the horizontal number line on the coordinate grid. Just remember, horizontal goes this way, right, and vertical goes this way. So is it going to be the x-axis or the y-axis? You got to figure that out. Which one goes this way? The over part. All right. And then finally, blank is a graph that uses line segments to show how data changes over time. Well, it's either a line plot or a line graph. Strategy? Well, it does say graph in it, right? And sometimes you get the answer to questions like looking further on. It says use the line plot at the right for 3 to 5. That's a line plot. So what must it be if I connect lines on it? Okay, so that should be easy to figure out. Use the line plot at the right for 3 to 5. So how many kittens weigh at least 3/8 of a pound? At least 3/8. Think about that. Is that more than 3/8, less than 3/8, or is it 3/8 or more? It's probably going to be 3/8 or more, so I got to start here and count them all up, okay? At least 3/8 means they weigh 3/8 or more. What is the combined weight of all the kittens? I've got to add up the weight of all of the kittens. Please remember, on a line plot, if you want to add them up, my biggest number is 8. If that's 3/8 and that's 5/8, what comes between 3 and 5? Yeah, 4/8. I would write that down as 4/8. If this is 5/8, 4/8, 3/8, then this must be, yep, 2/8. Don't forget, number them. I have 3 of those, 4 of those, 3 of those, and 2 of these. My total data, what did we call that before? Total data. My total data, my TDP, that's right. My total data points is 7, 10, 12. I have 12 of these. Okay, so 2/8 times 3 is 6/8. 3/8 times 4 is 12/8. Get all your 8s, add them all up. It's going to come out to be a whole number. It'll be like 48 or 48/8 or something like that that's divisible by 8. All right? 16/8, 24/8, whatever. Add them all up. It should come out to a whole number because you're going to have an improper fraction, so you will divide. What is the average weight? It's total weight over my TDP. Over how many data points do I have? I add them all up and I divide them by the number of data points I have. Been a while since we did that, but you can rewind this, watch it again if you didn't get that the first time. Okay, looking at the bottom, use the coordinate grid at the right for 6 to 13. This is a coordinate grid. Okay, it would be a line graph probably if we connected points on here, but we're not doing that. It's just a coordinate grid. Write the ordered pair. So for A, it's over up. So to get to A, I go over 1, up 6. So I write 1, 6. What comes first, X or Y? X. So X, Y, 1, 6. The horizontal axis. That should be helpful to you. And then here it says plot and label the point. For E, it's 6, 2. I'd go over 6 and up 2. On the online quiz, it's going to ask you, what would you do? I would go over 6, up 2, because I can't figure out a way to get you to plot online. All right? Everybody cool with that? Okay, I'm going to get to the second page and post that here in a minute.